we can make money, money, make money, money, money.
Make money, money, make money, money, money.
Make money, money, make money, money, money.
Make money, money, take money, money, money. Make money, money, make money, money, money.
When Blaze came to us as a ninth grader, he was a character. At no point did I think that he would develop into the character young man that he did as a senior. Having no baseline or any understanding of his family life when he came into the program, we had to get to know each other. As we grew together as player and coach, I earned a great amount of admiration and respect to go along with the love that I have for him as an individual. He is the game of football. You know, sometimes it's not how big you are, but how big your heart is, and his heart is huge.
When I first started playing football, I was 9 years old, and I started playing Pop Warner football. When I was younger, I remember just hearing my brother's name over the loudspeaker, like Dillon Smith with a touchdown, Dillon Smith with a first down, and that's like what always stuck in my head. That made me want to play football. I wanted to be that person. Seeing my brother at some of my games, I remember I would always see him up there at the top, and he would come down running the steps and just be right there at the fence talking to me when I was on the sideline and stuff, and that would give me a lot of support on the field. When I lost my brother, it was really hard for me. It was like I couldn't really accept it at first. I came back, I was in the weight room, and I just tried to act like it didn't happen. It was easy to forget about everything that was going on when I was at football because of the people that were there, like all the coaches. They were really supportive, and all my teammates, they just gave me that team to go to, like it was just part of the pack. I used the friendships to like cope with my problems, you know what I'm saying? Everyone that I met there, they meant something to me, and like it was more than just football.
He continued to persevere and work hard, and this year, his senior season, he found himself in a role that none of us were anticipating him being in. Blaze had every opportunity to throw his hands up and quit, but he never took the easy way out. He just attacks everything head on, and that's why he is going to be a success, and that's why our team is a success, because of young men like Blaze. I think more so than playing for the loss of his brother, he was playing to make his niece proud. You know, that is the epitome of a man.
For me to be given that really meant a lot. Like I'll never forget that feeling. It felt really good that they think that highly of me.
Now this is the law of the jungle, as old and as true as the sky. And the wolf that shall keep it may prosper,
but the wolf that shall break it must die. As the creeper that girdles the tree trunk, this law run forth and back. For the strength of the pack is the wolf, and the strength of the wolf is the pack.